Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to download the job profit sheet in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Here, we have to select the respective jobs. Now, the job page will be displayed on the screen. Here, we have to click on the costing menu. Then also, we have to click on the job profit sheet menu. Now, the job profit view page will be displayed on the screen. Here, we can see the voucher sale, cost amount and also see the profit for that job. Now, click on the download button. This is how to download the job profit sheet in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.